What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and in this video we have Tesla Mobile coming to the house to take a look at the Model X. As I previously mentioned in the videos, we have a falcon wing door stuck in calibration mode, and also one of the side moldings in the driver's side front door is coming loose. So hopefully they can take care of it. It looks like, I'm pretty sure they could take care of the molding part because it's just gonna either reapply the adhesive or replace it. So hopefully they could also figure out how to get the Falcon doors to operate once again, because it's inoperable, you can't open it. So waiting for Tesla Mobile, they gave me a call. They'll be here in about 10 minutes, so let's see what happens. So I also inspected the other side, the passenger. I should have done this when I was filing for the ticket, and it seems to start coming loose. So hopefully she has extra parts. So I was totally wrong about reapplying adhesive. They had to remove pretty much most of the door. The rubber piece is a very long piece. I thought it was just that strip, but it's very long. And wow, I'm glad it's part of warranty. And I asked her if this is a common issue with the Model X, and yes, this is a very common issue. So they had to remove this entire area just to get to this, because it's one piece. This rubber piece and all the way back there is all one piece. Today I learned there's ports under the LCD screen. She tried to plug in via Ethernet port to force the calibration, but it didn't work. The next step is to unplug the 12-volt battery to force the calibration screen to pop up. It still didn't work. She did the soft reset by holding down the scroll buttons on the yoke. Now it finally popped up. She was able to get the calibration screen for both Falcon doors. So the entire visit took about an hour to fix the Falcon door calibration and the rubber piece. I'm probably gonna have to schedule another appointment for the passenger side rubber piece, because I showed it to her and she thinks that it's gonna worsen. So probably best to schedule another visit to get that fixed. This, I believe, is the second time Tesla Mobile came for a visit. The first time, I think, was with my Model 3. I wanted to test out the service, and I think it was for the cabin filter change, so it wasn't too expensive, and the convenience of them coming out and doing it for me was great. Both times was actually a pretty good visit. Everything was fixed, and I'm happy. I showed her a couple of things on the Model Y that I was just curious about, but I will probably put in a service ticket on the Model Y. This time I have some weird things going on with my LCD screen where certain areas are just flashing a lot quicker than others. But she said to put in a ticket, and they have little tools that will check calibration or anything, and it might need a replacement of the screen. I hope you liked this video. Please stay tuned to an upcoming video about our Vegas trip. As you may have heard, Southern California did experience a tropical storm, Hurricane Hillary, that became a tropical storm. We actually was on the road during that time. I got some things to share, some good news and some surprising news. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let me know what you think about this repair and your experiences with Tesla Mobile services as well. And I'll see you on the next one.